Welcome to Health and Fitness. We will talk about mint tea benefits and side effects. How to prepare mint tea. You can purchase mint tea bags at your local grocery store or health market. Most stores also sell loose leaf peppermint that can be used with a tea infuser. To prepare mint tea, simply place the tea bag or infuser with tea leaves in the bottom of a 6 to 8 ounce cup and fill with hot water. Let the tea steep for 4 to 6 minutes based on your desired intensity. Some drinkers enjoy peppermint tea with lemon or a little bit of sugar. Mint tea health benefits. Although many websites and tea sellers promote a wide range of mint tea health benefits, most of them are not backed by published research. That doesn't mean you won't experience a benefit, it simply means that scientists don't know if the benefit can be replicated with scientific studies. According to the National Institutes of Health, very little research has been done on peppermint leaf. 1 Most research into the benefits of mint has been done with peppermint oil, which is much stronger. There is some evidence that peppermint oil may reduce stomach spasms and general gastrointestinal discomfort. 10 Peppermint oil has been shown to reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Peppermint oil has been shown to relieve some respiratory, breathing problems. 12 If you drink peppermint tea instead of a high-calorie coffee drink or instead of enjoying a dessert after dinner, you will most likely benefit from a reduction in calories. Mint tea side effects. Again, since most research into the benefits and side effects of peppermint have been conducted with peppermint oil. 13 You may not experience these side effects from drinking peppermint tea because tea is not nearly as strong. However, some people may experience nausea when consuming peppermint. There is some evidence that it may decrease sperm production, and if you use peppermint oil there is a chance that you will experience a rash where your skin contacts the oil. Contact dermatitis.